for its operation. A digital computer uses binary number system for its operation. In binary system, there are only two digits, 0 and 1. The computer receives a lot of information and store, understand and manipulate information. Combos are only zeros and ones. The logic operation which are performed the following case. First one, NOR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, NOR gate, NAND gate, exclusive OR gate and exclusive NOT gate. First we are going to see about NOT gate. What is the other name of NOT gate? Is inverter. The inverter means that is you are given to the value A, getting the output A bar. That is a complement of the input signal. This is the logical diagram. This is the logical diagram of inverter. This is the input signal A given to this gate. You are getting the output A bar. Then you can construct the truth table. Here the input signal 0 and 1. You have to apply for the input value 0. You are getting the output 1. Then we have to apply for input signal 1. The output signal is 0. So the NOT gate operation, what are the input given to the input signal, you are getting the complement of the input signal. Then you have to see about OR gate. This is the logical diagram of OR gate. You are given the input signal A and B. You are getting the output A plus B. This is the Boolean expression. This is the Boolean expression. Now you can calculate the what is the combination input signal given to the OR gate. This is the general idea. How many combination input signal given to the OR gate? This is the 2 power n formula. This is 2 power n formula. What are the combination input signal corresponding to get the output signal? The 2 power n signal we are represented. 2 means binary values. Already you know 0 and 1. The n means number of input signal. Here we can apply for this case A and B is a input signal 2. That means n is a number of input signal. The 2 means binary values. So we can construct the truth table. Input signal 0, A value 0, B value 0, and A value 0 and B value 1, A value 0 and B value 0, A value 1 and B value 1. This is the logical, the combinational input signal, then getting the corresponding output signal. Here using A and B value, you can given to the input signal 0, A value, then B value 0. Then what is the output of the signal? 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. Getting the corresponding output 0. Then next, the given input signal A value is 0 and B value is 1. The getting output of the signal is A value 0 and B value 1. Getting the 1. A plus B. We can using the simple phenomenon 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. That is the output of the signal. Then you can apply for next signal value input signal. A is 1 and B value 0. The corresponding the output of the signal is 1. The next you have to apply for 1, 1. A value 1 and B value 1 to get the output signal 1. Here using the logical operation, adding binary combination 1 plus 1. You can add here 1 plus 1. Getting the sum value 0, then carry is 1. We did not about it carry. Only you can getting the output of sum value only the logical operation for OR gate, any one of the input signal is high, the output is high. Both the value is 0, to getting the output is 0. That means the OR gate will perform the operation only any one of the input signal is high and output is high. This gate is perform this operation. We see about AND gate. AND gate, A or and A and B is a input signal and getting the output signal A dot B. A dot B. This is the Boolean expression A dot B. This is the logical diagram. This is the logical diagram. How to construct the truth table? Here input signal A and B and output is A, which is equal to A dot B. Then apply for input signal A value 0 and B value is 0 to getting the corresponding output A dot B. That means 1 dot 0 dot 0 to getting the output 0. A value is 0 and B value is 0, getting the output 0. Then we have to apply for input signal A value 0 and B value 1. We are getting the output value 0. That means A value is 0 and B value is 1. 0 dot 1 is equal to 0. Then we have to apply for the input signal A value is 1 and B value is 0. Getting the output signal 0. That means 0 1 dot, that means 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. Getting the corresponding output signal. Then we have to apply for the input signal A value is, we have to apply for the input signal A value 1 and B value 1. Getting the corresponding output 1. The AND gate is perform the operation. Both the input signal is high, you getting the output high. Otherwise, not perform the operation. That means both the input signal is high, the output is high. Then we have to go for NAND gate. This is the logical diagram of NAND gate. Here the input value is A and B. The output is y is equal to A dot B whole bar. A dot B whole bar. Then you can construct the truth table. Input signal A and B. A value is 0 and B value is 0. To getting the A dot B, first you have to find out the A dot B value. Then find out the A dot B one value. First one, the condition number 1, A value is 0 and B value is 0. Getting the A dot B is 0. Then you get the A dot B value. You get the corresponding complement of the A dot B value. That means the output is 1. Then you have to apply for input signal A dot B value is 0 and then the complement of A dot B, getting the output signal 1. Then you have to apply for the input signal value is A value 1 and B value is 0. To get the A dot B value is 0. Then the complement of the A dot B value is 1. Then you have to apply for the input signal A value is 1 and B value is 1. We are getting the A dot B value is 1. To getting the complement of this A dot B value, getting the corresponding output, that means 0. We can conclude the operation, NAND gate operation. Any one of the input signal is high. To get the output value is high. Or both the value is low, to getting the output signal is high. This NAND gate not perform the operation. Only both the input signal is high value. This gate not perform the operation. Next we go for NOR gate. This is the logical diagram for NOR gate. This is the A value and B value. To getting the corresponding Boolean equation, A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole NOR gate operation. Next we go for exclusive OR gate. We go for exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. XOR gate. Here A and B value is an input signal. Getting the output value y is equal to A exclusive B. That means A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. We can construct the truth table here. The four combination of the input signal. First we have to find out the A dot B bar value. Then to find out A bar dot B, we have to apply for the input signal A is 0 and B is 0. To get first to find out the A dot B bar. A dot B bar. A is 0 and B is 1. You getting 0 dot 1, that means 0. Then you can find out A bar dot B. A bar dot B. The A value is 0. The complement of this value is 1 and the B value is 0. 1 dot 0, that means 0. We can apply for this formula. You can add these values. That means A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. Dot B. A bar dot B. The A value is 0. The complement of this value is 1 and the B value is 0. 1 dot 0, that means 0. You can apply for this formula. You can add these values. That means A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. After using this formula, 0 plus 0, getting the output 0. Then we have to apply for the input signal. A value is 0 and B value is 1. Getting the A dot B bar value is 0 and A bar dot B value is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Then we have to apply for the input signal. A value is 1 and B value is 0. To getting the corresponding A dot B bar value is 1. 1 dot 1, that means 1. Then A bar dot B value is 0 dot 0, that means 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Then you have to apply for the input signal. A value is 1 and B value is 1. To getting the A dot B bar value is 1 dot 0. To get the output 0. Then A bar dot B value is 0 dot 1 is equal to 0. Next you have to apply for this formula. A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. You can get the values 0 plus 0, that means 0. We can conclude this exclusive OR gate. When will this gate is activated? The A value is 1 for the operation. Next, the B value is 1 and A value is 0 to get the perform the operation. These two conditions only the exclusive OR gate is perform this operation. Thank you to all.